ആ ഓഡിയോ കിട്ടിയിട്ടുണ്ടാവും. കിട്ടിയ അവസ്ഥ കിട്ടുന്നു.
2022 Diwali break. We started our 10-day long road trip to Arunachal Pradesh and we were beyond thrilled. No work and just travel. We headed towards Tawang, a place that has been there on Nini's bucket list for a very long time. And this episode is all about that fun-filled journey to Tawang and all the amazing places that we got to see on the way. The 3-day road trip to Tawang was through Tezpur, Bomdila and Dirang.
इस रास्ते से कैसे जाऊं? कहाँ जाऊं?
Day 1. The trip was towards Bomdila. Stop 1. Breakfast at one of the food hawkers on Assam highway. We were surprised to see a local dish named Piitah, which tasted just like my favorite puttu. We were so happy to have this slightly sweet dish made of steamed rice flour and coconut, and it was tasty. So many exciting sights on the way. We got to see an elephant closely right on the highway. Of course, the elephant handler was making some money. We also saw the 9th largest river in the world, the Brahmaputra River. This frame looked like a shot in the movie Pirates of the Caribbean. Stop 2. Kunzang, Namdrol, Choeling, Gompa. All the colorful prayer flags, the brisk breeze, and the sunlight. This was a perfect spot to take the next break. Stop 3. Tenga. Here we stopped for lunch and had some homemade momos and a hearty ball of tukpa. I just love momos and tukpas. Besides Tenga Market, there was this bridge filled with prayer flags. There is something about these colorful prayer flags that draws you, and behind every flag you spout in these mountains, there is usually a story. So we stopped there as well and spent some time on the banks of River Tenga.
Yo ninja, hop on!
Stop 4. The final stop for the day, Bomdila. We went straight to see the Bomdila Monastery. This one was said to be a replica of a monastery in Tibet. Haven't seen that one though, so not sure if the rumor was true. The Buddha statue, which was a few kilometers away from the monastery, caught our attention. As we were tired after the long drive, we could not trek all the way there. But our drone gave us a nice view of it. That night, we stayed at a homestay just besides the monastery. They welcomed us with a warm rice wine named Ara, and it did help the cold.
Strong. I feel high. This is exactly what I wanted.
And then we sat besides the bonfire till late night, hearing really funny stories from the owners.
एक ग्लास पीजिए, एक टोपी उतार के, थोड़ा देर के बाद जैकेट उतार के, उसके बाद तो नहा लियो.
Day 2. We then headed towards Dirang.
So beautiful. Can't describe it.
Dirang was only an hour away from Bomdila. but we wanted to visit two places in Dirang. Stop 5. Mandalatop. This was relatively a new structure and it was just spectacular.
So what I read when I was researching is that every stupa here, what you see, is actually contributed by one of the members in this community. So that's why you are able to see those names in every stupa. It's something that is built by the community over here.
Each stupa had very intricate details and it was gorgeous. We easily spent about 2 hours just looking at these beautiful structures and staring at the snow-capped mountains. Chug Valley. We were just lucky to be there at the right time when these flowers blossomed. The locals called them I love you flowers, and that's because these flowers had 8 petals, one each for the letters in the words I love you. Whenever anyone in this village wanted to propose, they would do so by offering these flowers. That's cute. Many locals come here and do a picnic along with their families. And we met these lovely kids who were excited to see the drone, and we were excited to capture their excitement.
वो क्या है?
वो गाना।
हाँ?
गाना।
गाना? अच्छा गाना गाओ.
तेरी मेरी गल्ला होगी मैं शिबूर करना है तू जिंदगी तू ठीक चलिए तू ठीक चलिए तू ठीक चलिए.
Day 3. The day that we entered Tawang district. Stop 7. Baisakhi. This was an army camp with an army-run cafeteria and few army stores.
Two-side camp.
Just like that.
It's very nice also.
Yeah, I know. Good stuff.
All are like good quality
Yeah.
stuff. The jackets, everything, really good quality. Ta-dang.
Everything is matching for us now. And Thar,
Yeah. Oh yeah.
my jacket, your topi.
Stop 8. Sela Pass. The name being dedicated to a tribal lady, Sela, who used to bring food and water to an Indian soldier, Jashwant Singh. He was protecting the border single-handed during the 1962 Sino-Indian War. One day, when she was bringing food to him, she saw him dead, and she gave up her life. A true love that cannot be explained, and we felt a little of that love when we entered Sela Pass. The moment we entered, it started to snow, which we later got to know was the first snow of the season. It was just magical.